Dear Thai customers, welcome to EagerLED Company. Your presence makes us feel honored, and it also provides us with a valuable opportunity to showcase our company's strength and product features. We sincerely welcome you to visit our LED screen showroom and LED screen aging workshop, and let us explore the most advanced LED technology and innovative products together. First of all, let us enter the LED screen exhibition hall, where LED screen products of various sizes and various application scenarios are displayed. From indoor to outdoor, from commercial advertising to stage performances, our products widely cover various fields. You can see the high definition, bright colors and excellent image performance of the LED screen up close and feel the charm of LED technology. Next, we will take you to visit the LED screen aging workshop, which is an important part of our quality control. Here, each LED screen will undergo rigorous aging tests to ensure its stable performance and reliable quality. Our reception staff will accompany you throughout the entire visit and are always available to answer your questions and provide assistance. We hope that through this visit, you can have a more comprehensive understanding of our company's strength and product features, and establish a closer and longer-term cooperative relationship.